Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with another tutorial. I was asked by some of you if I could show you how I make these little, I don't know, they're just notepads that you can use to take notes, but I've included them in some Happy Mail, and some of you have requested a tutorial, so I'm here to please. I love that you are subbies, and I love the interaction, so yeah, thank you. So let's get to this tutorial. So I do have some plain ones that I just have because I either send them out like this or I decorate them, but they're really just little notepads, kind of really easy. Like, you'll see how super easy they are to make. So yeah, these are some of them. I have a few that I keep on hand because I like to add them to Happy Mail. So yeah, the first thing is you need a strip of paper, and I'm just using up some scraps from my Maggie Holmes Willow Lane collection here. And so I've cut the paper down to 10 5/8 by 3 1/2, 10 5/8 by 3 1/2. And what you will need is, oh, I forgot to tell you. So I buy these from the Dollar Tree. It's $1, and it comes in a pack of 5. And they're 3 1/2 inch by 5 inch mini writing pads. And they come in assortments of colors. But there's 5 of them, and they're separated by the cardboard. So there's 1, there's 5. So this was $1. So if you break it down, it's only 20 cents a pad. And I think where I first saw this was on someone, Lyric Lover, or it is Crafting with Deanna. It's one of them two, I think, is where I saw it, because they sell these at their craft fair. I'm pretty sure it was one of them too. If I find it, I will put the link in the description box below. But okay, so telling you, so easy. What I do is I just add the paper to the back first, and I use this double-sided tape I got from Elizabeth Craft Design. I got it at the expo last year when they were here. And if I could, I could probably use it up in a year's time. We're not committed to the one size. And just cut the excess off there. And to not waste, I'm just going to add strips here and strip there. Okay, so I peeled the sticky stuff off that. Hopefully this is all in range. And make sure, you know, if it's directional, that it's going the right way in the front, at least. Not so worried about the back, because it's the back. So I just lay it on. You have to be careful, because once it's stuck, it's stuck. And you don't want it to be crooked. Then get my bone folder and just burnish it very well. And then you can kind of see, let me zoom in. You can kind of see, if I keep burnishing it, it'll form an edge, kind of, that you can run your bone folder over. And this will allow you to fold the paper over And that's how I do it. I stick some red line tape at the top, which I'm going to show you here in a second. Right here, I stick some red line tape. There. So easy, right? Peel it off. Expose the stickiness. Fold it back over. Burnish it again. And there you have it. Yep, and there you have it. That's it. That's pretty much it. That's the whole of it. Yeah, so see, they're fast and easy to make. And then you just decorate them off. I have some here that because I've seen them packaged by those ladies as well. So, let me get this one on. Centered. And this one I'm gonna pop up. This roll 2 from the expo last year. In September is when the expo comes here to Arizona. And I'm excited, not this year, but next year, I believe Creating Keepsakes' expo is coming back to Arizona. Their expo is the one that I used to go to a long time ago. Theirs was the first expo. And then I stopped going to expo and didn't realize that it had changed, or that Creating Keepsakes wasn't coming here. And when I started going again a couple years ago, I found out that it is the Rubber Stamp and Scrapbooking Expo. So that's what they have here now. And I see next year Creating Keepsakes is coming back. So I don't know if they're both going to have expos here, which Arizona can support 2 expos. Believe me, they need to have more, I feel. But yeah, so see, these are them. And then let's just see, they packaged them. I just have some of this twine I just got from one of my entries in the Pocket Letter Challenge. Ooh, maybe I wasn't supposed to pull that so hard. But anyway, you get the idea. And then they popped it in a plastic sleeve, which I can show you the full effect. Just don't mind the tag. You have less than $1, I believe, invested in this. And you can sell them for a few dollars, I believe. But yeah, less than $1 guarantee.